Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up pricing plans on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, home, we have the settings and the design website in the bottom left and top right corners. And also we have the dashboard where you can see we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up pricing plans on Wix. So to set up a pricing plan in Wix, you need to go and follow these 3 easy steps to know how to do it in no time. So download the pricing plans app from the Wix dashboard or Wix app market. Then create a plan for each level of membership that you want to offer. After creating that membership, for each plan, give it a name, then give it a tagline of content such as blog posts, forums, challenges, events, or booking services. After you have done that, you then just need to choose one of 3 types of plans. You have a one-time payment, recurring payment, or a free trial. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.